Welcome to the dump station. Here's what you do. You pull up, obviously, aligning your compartment or your pipe that has the duty area in line with the dump station hole. Open up your cover if you've got a cover. Get your materials, which would include your hose, and that's about it. Some people do things differently. They keep things in different compartments and it's all nice and neat and all that. We have this nice compartment, we just throw everything in it. Okay, so you take your end with the elbow, put it inside the dump station hole. I open up my cover here, make sure my valves are closed, my black is closed and my gray is closed, and I take the cap off the pipe. There may be some condensation or excess gray water that was in the pipe from the last time. Don't worry about that, it'll just drip out. You take your connector here, make sure there's a ring in there, put it around the things and it'll tighten itself. So that's how it fits on there. So now you've got this connected here and then the elbow piece connected into the hole. So what you're gonna wanna do is hold this down because you never know how much pressure is gonna come through. Then you open up your black tank valve just by pulling it. Okay, stuff comes out. When it's done, close it. Then make sure the extra solids are out of the hose because you don't want them to back up your gray water. Then you open up your gray water tank, the valve lever here, let it all come out and it'll flush out the system. Go all down. That takes a little bit longer than the black water does. Then you close it up. Wait a couple of seconds so that any excess water can drain down into the pipe. Then what I like to do is just kind of shake this sewer pipe here to get any excess water out and down into the dump station hole. Okay, then you can unhook from here, put on your cap, close this one back up, take this out. If you want to, you can rinse this out with the water that's provided at the dump station. I do sometimes, other times I don't. Then you just store your stuff back inside, close it up, and you're all good.